These are Keling's Rooftop Package Unit products. These products are popular, flexible, and space-saving, designed for outdoor and rooftop installations.
These specially designed fans produce very low noise. The optimally designed structure can realize a high working efficiency to save energy. And the first-level quality and world-famous brand components enable a long-lived service. And access stores located at multiple areas make maintenance easier for all unit components. The intelligent controlling system is reliably built using renowned brand electronic parts. We also provide different functional options or customized structures based on users' needs. We have strict quality control system, perfect after-sales and quality assurance services. You will never have to worry about the quality of our brand.